វាបើកដោះបងប្អូនបាទបើកដោះកូននេះបងប្អូននេះបើមិនធម្មតាទេបងប្អូនបាទនេះបងប្អូនមើលបាទទាំងអស់10កូនណាវាបើបាទបើទៅវាចំណែនគ្នាវាបុកផងវាបុលផងបងណាបាទ We look at a pig and a piglet for 10 piglets and the breastfeed right now. So we have to jealous together and after more they breastfeed together and sometime one piglet they jealous envy and they go away and they come back to breastfeed again. Right now you look for 10 baby pigs or piglets and or breastfeed all the time and after more so mother pig they sleep and after more for 10 pigs they breastfeed together and one piglet here they just come they just from out they come in here and sometimes they breastfeed together sometimes no and they the one piglet and or they sleep there they don't breastfeed together sometimes they breastfeed together sometimes no sometimes they are full they stop breastfeed together but right now you look at it how the piglet breastfeed here okay for so mother pig to get the feed for the piglet together for tens look okay the happy time that they get a breastfeed together. Yeah, this is good. Okay. See. Yep. For 5 piglets, they are 4, and more 5 live piglets, not 4. And after more, they try to breastfeed together more. And this 4, they tried for breastfeed together. Oh, good. Okay. And they kiss the piglet kiss mother, and for 6 piglet not breastfeed some more, and only 4 left they breastfeed together. So very strong. Yeah, very good. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I try to find new video for you all to be happy, and every single lot I try to find for you all more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.